And here is the edit ID functions. So for start editing ID on the main interface, we'll click here, edit ID, and then we choose the unit. And then when we get into this interface, we can select the initial ID number box, then click the clipboard to edit the ID number, range 1 to 4096. And here we can select some kind of like the 4000. And when the initial number is greater than 300, the initial ID number of wireless unit will start from 1 by default, because there are only 300 wireless units at most. After finishing editing, we click the OK, which is the confirmed, and to save the edit number. And then we can click the start to start editing the next ID. Okay, as you can see in here, when we click the start buttons on the controller, all the microphone, it will show this interface. It will show that you can set the ID number of the microphone. And so for now, you can manually start editing ID number of all units by pressing the microphone buttons here or here, the set ID. And it will display the unit ID and the available ID on this unit screen. The red light on the unit indicates that the operation is effective. So when I press this, it goes flashing the red light. And after that, when I click the next set ID, after that we can click this, and the current ID, it will turn into the 004. And so for now, the local ID is 003, which represents this microphone. And here, when I click this speak button, and this microphone will be the 004. And here, when I click this microphone, it will be the 005. And after we set all the microphones, their ID, and we'll go back to our controller, and then we click this end to exit the editing status of the software.